Automatic transmissions and the transmission oil used are subject to wear and tear dependent on the vehicle's operating conditions. Febi recommends regular checks and replacement of the transmission oil and filter to optimise the service life and performance of the transmission. High-quality Febi transmission service kits include a lubricant offering optimum friction behaviour and thermal stability, providing ideal aging resistance and great wear protection under all operating conditions. This guarantees the best possible corrosion defense, ensuring the oil continues to protect the transmission and keep it working efficiently and effectively. In this video, we replace the transmission oil and filter on a Volkswagen Golf, equipped with an 09G 6-speed automatic transmission, which is also used in many other models. With the vehicle raised, remove the transmission under tray, then remove the drain level plug, allowing the transmission oil to flow. When the fluid flow reduces, remove the internal level tube from the oil pan and drain the remaining oil. Remove the oil pan retaining bolts and drain any excess oil. Clean and inspect the oil pan, including the magnets for any debris, and discard the old rubber gasket. Remove the old oil filter and replace with the new one, tightening the bolts to 11 Newton meters. Install the new oil pan gasket, including the spacer sleeves, to the oil pan, then refit the internal level tube and tighten to 2 Newton meters. Align the oil pan to the transmission and tighten all the bolts in sequence diagonally to 7 Newton meters. Screw in the automatic transmission oil filling tool adapter into the oil pan and fill the transmission with fresh oil. With the filling tool still connected, carry out the following procedure to check the oil level. Ensure the gear selector lever is in park. Connect a suitable diagnostic tool to check the transmission oil temperature. Start the engine and select each gear several times, then return the selector lever to park. When the oil has reached the specified temperature of 35 to 45 degrees Celsius, remove the oil filling tool and allow any excess transmission oil to drain and reduce to a drip before installing the new oil drain plug provided. If no fluid loss is apparent, top up the fluid as necessary. Switch off the engine, check for any leaks and refit the under tray. Lower the vehicle and road test to ensure the transmission operates smoothly.